Welcome back! In our last video, we showed you how to view and manage your team members. Now let's dive into the timesheet section, where you can easily track, analyze, and export detailed reports of your team's activities. Head over to your live board, and on the left sidebar, you'll see the timesheet section. Go ahead and click on it to access all the detailed reports and insights about your team's performance. You'll find options to easily view or export reports on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. To view daily reports, simply select the Daily option and see an overview of your team members' activities for the day. Need to export report? No problem. Just click the Export button in the top right corner and choose your preferred format, PDF, Excel, or CSV. Your report will download instantly to your computer. No hassle, no delay. Looking for reports on a specific team member? Just type their name in the search bar. Instantly, you'll get their full report and insights. Or if you want to view reports for a certain member, just go to the Team Members button and choose which employee's report you'd like to see. You can even export all reports for your team with a single click. Want past data? We've got you covered. Use the arrow controls to navigate through previous days, weeks, or months with ease. You can quickly jump to any time frame you need easily. For more convenience, we have custom section where you can custom choose dates timelines for report insights. Next to the member search bar, click the drop-down and select your preferred timeline. You'll get reports tailored to the dates you choose. Wait, there is more. In the weekly, monthly, and custom part, you'll notice a small drop-down next to each member's name. Just click on it to dive deeper into their activity breakdown. Finally, personalize your experience. You can choose between a calendar view or list view, whichever format works best for you to manage your team's data efficiently. That's it. With flexible filters, export options, and custom views, analyzing your team's performance has never been more effortless. Go ahead, explore the timesheet section today.